Good morning! Yes, I look like this. This is so natural, so get used to it. I'm just watching some YouTube, getting my meals ready. So, don't worry, we're not gonna look haggard as always. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till the day that I change that light. So, just making breakfast. Once I make breakfast, I'm going to eat breakfast, pack my lunches, pack my bag. I'm gonna go see Brittany. So excited. So got my bag here, that's packed, have my soccer bag packed, and then my outfit packed. Gonna get ready, glam, all the things. So just wanted to say good morning. It's Saturday, and yeah, I can't wait to take you guys along. It's gonna be good. I'm watching right now, I'm watching Candace Cameron talk to Danny Goki, which is so cool. She's doing Christmas specials, which I love. But you guys, shout out to Karina, got me the Podium Hydro and Salt. We don't carry this in Canada. She went to America for me, and it's Blue Raz. You guys, I cannot wait because it's hydro and salt. So there's actually like Himalayan salt in there, which there is in other brands and stuff. But again, this is Podium, like, I love American brands. I just wish they would come to Canada, or easier to do to Canada. So you're at an angle, enjoy the angle. Just making my breakfast. We got eggs, all the things. You guys saw my last video, I didn't lose any weight. I weighed myself today. I don't know, we'll just see what's happening. I don't know, do I need to like take like Metamucil? Like, what do I need to take so that, you know, I don't know, maybe I'm clogged, I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna give it a taste test. So we put it in our water. I lost my straw. I don't know where my straw went, but c'est la vie. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, that's good. I think it's not as sugary or as the other ones are with the scoop, because it is 2 liters, but it's good. I like it. Okay, we're a little lopsided again. We love lopsided. Whew, I don't know how people like, I have like too many bags. I have a bag of food, a bag of change of clothes, my soccer bag, and then my outfits bag. Oh my gosh, and then of course my purse. But it's crazy to me, like, oh, we are lucky. But yeah, on my way, makeup's ready, hair's done, getting ready to go see Brittany, and then do all the things. And yeah, that's it. I hope I didn't forget anything, but I mean, it is what it is. If I do forget, I can't control it. So yeah, I didn't bring any gym clothes or gym anything because I don't think I'm gonna gym today. I don't have time. Like, it's just a lot. So unless I woke up like super early, and I think that's a little ridiculous. But anyways, let's chat later. We made it! Oh my God, I love this outfit. Like, so good. We made it. We're in Brittany's car. She's coming. Oh my God, I'm like so excited. We got some outfits going. Except for this watch. Well, the watch kind of works, but anyways, we're here. I'm cold. We made it! Woo! This is Brittany, y'all. I was talking about before.
Happy Saturday, everybody.
Yay! Okay, let's go take some pictures. All right. I can see you clearly. Ooh. I have to go like this because of the light. Good. We just finished content and I'm having coffee. Yay. I had to run back, get my camera. We're here on the streets. Brittany's coming to pick me up. Oh my God, dead. Oh, such a dodo. She's like, what's up? I was like, I forgot my camera. And she's like, oh my God, don't forget that.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God. Whew. We good. I need to. Yeah. cute? Ugh. Look at Brittany's little decor. Isn't it cute? Say hi, Brittany. I don't know if you guys can see me. Yes, you can. I literally just left Brittany. Had the best time with her this morning. I want to live out here, but life won't grant me that. So that's okay. But right now we're on our way home. We're gonna go quickly eat a meal, go to soccer, and then go out again. Oh my gosh, what a crazy day. But anyways. Yeah. So I gotta go back. I gotta go get my shoes because I forgot them. So that's really funny. But anyways, as I'm leaving, I had a great time with her. Love her so much. And I can't wait to do that again next weekend. So excited. Happy Sunday, you guys. Forgot my camera, broke a nail. I'm just at church right now, and I can't wait to sit with Samantha. Hopefully she's here, and that's it. See you guys in. Oh my gosh. So I don't know how people get ready in the mornings, like craziness, but yes. Last night after I left Brittany, I went to go play soccer. I think you guys saw that. I went out to church. I went to church on a Saturday. It was great, and I missed it. I'm missing a nail, as you saw earlier from the other clip. But yeah, finished church. Gonna come and eat. I'm so hungry, and then I'm gonna pretty much watch sermons all day because I missed the legacy one because my kids were sick. So it's Pastor Leon. I'm excited to see that. And then there's like Christmas movies I want to watch. And then of course I have to do laundry, clean my room, do all the things. So Sunday's just going to be a productive day. If I must, I might most likely, I'm thinking about it. I might go hit the gym. So we'll see. If not, then I'll just take you on the rest. And if not, I'll come back. But anyways. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Oh my gosh. I got a story to tell y'all. So quickly went to get groceries. I wasn't going to, but here we are. So I get groceries and like, I didn't get any meat whatsoever, but I spent like, to me, I feel like it's crazy. So I'm a single mom, clearly, of 2 kids. So for me, there was a married couple with 2 younger kids than mine. So like family 4 or whatever. I think they were younger, but anyways. So I'm literally not trying to eavesdrop, but like I'm there and their total was like $4.75. I was like, excuse me, $4.75? Is that what it's like? That goes for 2 weeks, right? Like, or maybe 3, can you push it? Like, I literally was in shock. I literally was like, oh my gosh. I don't remember what it's like to live with somebody. It's been so long. So being on my own, I've just been like doing like me, but like, I almost had a heart attack. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't imagine just throwing that. That's literally like mortgage payment. But anyways, okay, let's put these groceries away. Okay, so we're back and yeah, why are you doing this to me? So I have this cool light up here. I can't wait to get the change. That's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Oh, snap. It's so embarrassing. Like, look, it looks like a nub. Anyways, I have this cool light. So now we're making rice. We're gonna put some rice. We got some zucchini up in here. No chicken to be made or anything like that. So we're just gonna make that. But I have enough. Oh, geez. I have enough for this last meal that I'm gonna eat. I'm really disappointed in these bananas. Like, no banana was yellow. Like, they were all green. So I'm like, okay, fine. I'll just wait till they ripen. Fine. Got some gum. That's fun. And got some noodles for my kids. Oh my god, my daughter's obsessed with fusilli. Like, loves fusilli. She's like, Mama, I want I want the noodles that are like this. I was like, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Finished doing my laundry, which was great. I'm going to bring that up once I start cooking. I'm just gonna, let's take you along. Jasmine rice. My mom bought this for me. She was grocery shopping and she's like, do you need rice? It's on sale. I was like, yes, I do. So, yeah. So anyways, can you see me? No, you can't. So yeah, can you see me? Oh yeah. Anyways, so I'm just gonna put some stuff together. I am listening to some true crime. So usually in my rice, I do seasoning salt, garlic powder, and some dill weed. And then I add a little bit of oil in my rice cooker. My mom does it the old school way with like with the pot. She does it like with the pots and pans, like on the pot? No, with the pot? I don't know. Anyways, so she does it like that. And she does it old school and it's like much harder. And I'm like, no, you just put the oil in there. A little bit of oil, not too much, because you know, calories in, calories out. So we're gonna put you over here. So here's my rice. I usually put the water in around, so we put about roughly 3 cups. So usually you add the amount of water. So I'm gonna be closer to the 6 mark. There's little markings on the side, like on the side of the little bowl. And then I'll take a fork, if I have one. Oh my god, this is a terrible angle. So I'll just take a fork and then I just kind of like mix it around so that it like mixes properly, like with the oil and the water, blah, blah, blah. I'll plug it in, and there goes the wire. And then, oh geez, don't put the fork in there. That's not okay. We do that. And then we go like this. Turn it around and we cook it. And then it's done after it's done. And then here we're going to bring you along to how I do my zucchini. So great. So I'm gonna put these, no, keep these guys out. I'm leaving the fusilli out and all the things just for tomorrow for my kiddos. I need more my paper towels. Oh, I hate when you forget stuff. It's so annoying. So anyways, pan. I hate pan. It's so funny because I feel like I'm the only one who buys zucchini like in the store. It's kind of weird. Just thinking to myself, but I genuinely feel like it's literally just me buying this stuff. So anyways, so we take the paper foil, aluminum foil, and you put the shiny side on top. I never do the other way. I don't know why people do that. I don't know. So anyways, we take Pam and we spray the batiam. Good thing. And then we season. We season the bottom. Just go to town. Because honestly, this is the most important part of meal prepping. Making it taste good. Because we want it to taste good. If it doesn't taste good, what are you doing? So we take chunks. This is onion minced, which like, I love this invention. Like whoever invented this, so smart. Like so smart. Dill weed all over. Got to my cutting board, and then we're just gonna, oh yeah, I gotta put the oven on, guys, girl. And then bring those over there. This goes back. This goes back. It's not a hard process. It's just, it's kind of more tedious than anything, you know what I mean? Take your trusty kanaf, and then we just go to town. Take one out. I usually buy 8 of these at a time. I try to get like the thick ones. But again, this cost me like a lot. So we just cut the little guy off. We don't eat this little nub guy. No, he's not cute. So we leave him to the side. And then we just start cutting away. But we leave the other nub on the other side. And then I cut that in 2. And then I split it apart and I put it on the thing. Same with this, like I'll cut it like that. And then I'll bring it back and then I'll cut them into like 2. I know, it's nothing crazy. It's just because I want it to cook evenly and faster. Because if I leave it like a circle, which is fine, I just don't necessarily, I don't know, it's just easier when you're measuring, you know what I mean? Like when you're making your food, like as in like weighing your food, sorry. I also bought a new food scale, which I was really bummed about, but my food scale like is again like, why are the batteries dying? Is it because I buy them from Dollarama? Do I need to buy like these crazy batteries? I don't understand. So Anyways. I don't know. I feel like this is kind of boring. But maybe it's not. I don't know. We shall see. All right, I'll let you know what it looks like afterward. So we finished. So this is what it looks like. And then pretty much you take seasoning salt and you put it all over on top. Excuse me. Like, I like to do a lot because I'm a lot. And this, I don't know. My coach hasn't said anything. He's like, you know, and then I just take it and I shimmy it all over and then I put it in the oven before it even beeps, because at the end of the day, this is probably gonna take a while for it to make or to cook. So that's okay. And then we clean up, and now we're gonna go clean up our room. I just put some gummo. I wipe my face. I washed my face. I will go back to doing my eyes, but with tree up, I'm gonna finish watching my movie. If it comes on. Sorry. Oh yeah. I'm watching Christmas Hero. I love when you're unable to watch it in Canada, and on YouTube somebody recorded it and put it on. So anyways, I'm gonna leave it here. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this vlog was okay, but again, I cleaned up this whole living room area, lighted some candles as you can see back there, and didn't put my clothes away, but I did bring them up, did all the things, put the garbage out, and then I'm gonna go put the food away, and then pretty much call it a night because I think I'm gonna go to the gym in the morning. So anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell on when I upload next so you don't miss an episode. See you guys in the next episode. Bye. I'll put my finger.